I'm here with Mark in Lake St. Louis, who we recently resurfaced his pool deck. Mark, could you tell us what you thought of us doing the work for you?
They did a great job. The deck just looks awesome. It's a new pool, and we had an old concrete area that we wanted to match. They took care of the old concrete, the new concrete, and it looks like one big new concrete area. So great, and I'd highly recommend them to come in and do the work for you and make your deck look as good as ours.
Thank you so much, Mark. Thanks for your time. I'm going to pan and show our viewers your pool deck.
Sure.